Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're doing a vase, an acrylic pour on a vase. And I did one last night on a live video that I was so in love with that I wanted to do it on a video for you guys. Man, even look on the inside. This one's actually a little smaller than this one. I thought they were the same size, but anyways, I did this using the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paint, and I'm just so in love with it. So, like I said, wanted to do a video for you guys. Plus, I'm really happy that I used the warmer colors, which I don't normally do. So we're gonna go ahead and get started filling up my bowl. Real quick, I'm just gonna explain, this is a glass vase. It's from the dollar store. And then I have it on my cup turner. If you see this purple in here, that's because it's a little too big for the foam on my cup turner. So I shoved part of a pool noodle in there. The glass, no prep has been done other than to clean it with rubbing alcohol. And I have a canvas underneath here to catch the runoff so that we can do a painting with that as well. It's a 2-for-1. All right, so I'm using, that was a metallic white that I put in. This is gold. And just to show you, Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paint. These are, as they say, ready mixed pouring paints. You buy them at the store, you get them at Michael's, and you don't need to mix anything into them. In fact, these ones you really shouldn't mix anything in because it won't really work. And they have them in sets, or you can buy individual colors. I'm at the end of my yellow. Yeah, obviously we're going with a warmer theme. Okay, now I'm using some orange. This is such a beautiful bright orange they have. And then going in here with some regular white. I'm going to put just a dash of the black for some contrast. And I often get asked how much paint I need to cover the vase. I actually measure it based off of the canvas underneath, how much paint I need to cover the canvas. So I don't ever just do a vase by itself. I can't really answer that question. I'm just layering my colors in here. Let's go with a little more red. Okay, so that should be plenty. I'm going to turn the cup turner on. And then I'm going to just slowly, very slowly, start pouring down the vase. And I say slowly because we don't want to run out of paint before we get the vase covered. And this way does take a little more finessing than the other way that I normally pour the vases over a cup. It's a lot easier to get the covered that way, but this definitely provides a different look, which I love. So you just gotta go slow. The cup turner I got on Amazon. I will put the link in the description as always, and there are many different ones. I have 2 of these ones. I've been using them for a while and I'm very happy. I do, however, have another one on the way that I will be trying out soon, which I'm really excited about. So I'll definitely do a review on that for you guys. And you don't have to go back and forth. You can go up and down, whatever is easier for you. It will give you a little bit of a different look, but ultimately the lines are gonna all go this way. All right, now if you don't fully get it covered in all the spots, don't stress too much. Just go ahead and just cover the spots with your fingers or whatever. You can add a little more paint, but I just kind of tap out the spots just to get it covered because the paint will continue to move. So those fingerprints or anything like that will not be seen in there. I'm gonna scoop out a little paint from my cup and use it on the edge here. Sometimes getting the edge fully covered is the hardest. Okay, I think I got pretty much all the spots there. I'm gonna actually add a little bit more to my cup just to get the edge fully covered. And then we'll move the vase aside and we'll do the canvas. pretty excited. They're both looking awesome. So just a smidge more in here. Okay. I just kind of missed a big portion of the top. And you can just pour, if you miss like one spot, you just hold the cup in one spot as it does its full rotation, and that will get covered. So, there we go. Got that fully covered. All right, this paint is much thicker, so it doesn't really need drip time. If you're using regular acrylic pour paint, it's usually going to be thinner, and you'd want to let it drip for a little while. This is thick, so we can just go ahead and move it out of the way. And then we will do our canvas. Being careful, of course, not to hit the vase or anything. I do love doing the vases on the turners. I love doing it on cups too, but it gives you a very unique pattern on the canvas that you won't get another way. And actually, after I'm done doing this canvas, I'll show you my canvas from last night that matched that other vase, and you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. I actually managed to get it very, very similar. These can definitely be both matching sets here. Awesome. Okay, so here's our canvas. I'm going to show you the other canvas really quick that I did with the other vase, and then we'll do a close-up on both of these. All right, real quick, here's the one from last night. You see it's quite similar. Actually, it goes more like this. This one I used more red, and the one today I used more white, so I got more of that pink. And this one's more red. So we'll do the close-up on the two we just did here. All right, so here's the canvas. You can see these really cool patterns made on here by doing the vase over it. It's really awesome. And these paints have so much depth. And then here is our vase. Gonna just continue to rotate. And then of course I do have my lowly vase matte under here. I didn't have a lot of runoff, but I might end up with some cool runoff. And this is the lowly vase bowl, which I love because I can just peel the paint right out. So that paint in there, I can then use in necklaces and other awesome projects. Love the silicone bowls. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you all next time.